Viewer, as you all see that there is a nest in front of me. I will let you see closely that there are three beautiful blue eggs of a bird in it. Please waiting. Which bird eggs are these? How bright are the eggs? Wow, you can see how bright are the eggs. Wow, amazing. Lovely scene. I am uploading beautiful bird videos daily on this channel. Please subscribe my channel. Wow, lovely scene. I will let you see closely. You can see again. Please subscribe my channel for more like videos. Wow. Please tell me in comment section the bird names. Wow. How bright are these eggs? Please subscribe my channel for more like videos.